Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we haven't done a clean with me in like 2 weeks and I just did a massive PR unboxing and my room is a little bit of a mess. It's really stressful, especially since I do have Paige and Jarvis coming this weekend. I need to make sure that this is all cleaned up. So we're gonna go ahead and zoom the camera around. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at, and then we're gonna just start cleaning this beauty room. Very nice, simple video. So just grab a snack and enjoy. This is what I'm working with. This right here, this is what I have to clean my room. I'm just kidding. No, but for real though, I really do have to. Like, look at this. Look at this, ready? No, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. What happened? What happened? My room was just so prettily organized and now it's like not. It's so trashed. Oh, this gives me such bad anxiety, guys. You have no idea. Like, I have to like physically step over some of these boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down these boxes. I'm going to recycle everything that I can, put away everything I can, make some giveaways for you guys. And yeah, this is crazy. I couldn't imagine what like a big influencer gets on an everyday basis when they open up a lot more PR boxes. This is just like a month's worth. And again, this doesn't happen that often. So, let's get started.
The feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. That we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. 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 down next to you will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. If I walk to the sea, maybe I never say forever into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but you're right and carry me where I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never good just had regrets. So I won't go back, oh, when I got me to forget the time I lost, the moonshine back again.
Alrighty guys, the beauty room is officially cleaned. Not too much to clean up this time like I have in the previous past, but everything is officially cleaned. Like, look at the floors. The floors are so clean. My desk is clean, and over here, that's all clean. Bookshelf is kind of clean. I just love having a clean beauty room. It just makes me feel so much better. I get so stressed when it's so messy. So this makes me feel so much better. I cannot stand it when it's super messy. So we are back to being clean. So I know that my makeup is coming off like crazy. I've had it on since like 11 o'clock. It's now 8 o'clock at night. But since I know this video is kind of short, I wanted to do something a little special for you guys, something that I haven't done ever in one of these videos because I've never been given the chance. So I'm gonna do a small giveaway for you guys just to say thank you guys so much. I didn't get the chance to do it in my PR unboxing, so we're gonna do it in today's video. So let me show you guys what I'm giving away. So I'm gonna be giving away my entire Ipsy bag right here, everything in here, along with these two makeup bags from Essence. There is the waterproof mascara in one of these bags. I did keep the non-waterproof for myself. I did put the waterproof one in here. There's a brush. There's two products from Grande Cosmetics, the Lash Enhance Serum, followed by the Brow Enhance Serum. There is this entire PR set from Ofer Cosmetics because I was sent a double by accident. So there's this entire PR set that I am giving away to you guys. There's an entire PR set that I'm giving away to you guys. Like I said, I was sent two by accident, so I'm giving one of these. So I'm giving this away to one of you guys. And then I'm also going to be giving away two products from Odin's Eye Cosmetics. These are both sent to me in the mystery box, along with the waterproof Bad Gal Bang mascara and their real liner right here. So this is just a small little giveaway. This is my way of saying thank you guys so much for making my dreams come true. I would not be here if it wasn't for each and every single one of you guys. Like I said, I wasn't able to do this in my PR unboxing, so I figured I'd do it in today's video. It's kind of like a surprise and just to say thank you guys for being here, because I want to give these products to people who generally are just here for me and not just to get prizes. So this is going to go to one lucky winner. So you guys know that I don't get PR that often, and when I do, I am super, super appreciative of it. So that was me cleaning up my beauty room today, cleaning up the aftermath of my massive PR unboxing, and there's items in here that I know that I'm not gonna get a use out of or I already have, so I wanna be able to give back to you guys, and this is just my way of saying thank you guys so much for being here. This is truly phenomenal. What a weird giveaway to put in this video, but I just want to give back to those who generally are watching, and just wanted to I just want to give back to people who generally are here and who are watching my content. And this is just my way of saying thank you guys so much. You guys know that the more PR I get, the more giveaways I'm gonna do to you guys, because I do not believe in hoarding onto every single item. Realistically, I'll never be able to go through all of it. And as grateful as I am to these brands who gift me stuff, I love giving back to you guys. That means the world to me, because I would not be sitting here if it wasn't for you guys. So I'll have the details on the giveaway listed in the description. I don't know how I'm gonna do this giveaway yet. I'll just have it listed in the description. So just go look at it right now. It's gonna be something super easy, like all my other giveaways have been in the past. Very easy, very easy. I'm not making it complicated whatsoever, but just look at the details in the description. You guys will figure out how to enter. But yeah, guys, here is my short clean with me video. I feel so much better that my room is finally clean. I hate having all these boxes. Everything you guys see is going to be recycled at my complex. Thank God, because I just feel that it's so wasteful to have all these boxes. And I'm also very grateful that I don't get these like massive PR kits that are really difficult to recycle. Everything came in boxes. So I'm actually really appreciative of that, because it makes it so easy. And typically I actually take the boxes that I get from brands and I recycle it and send it back to you guys with prizes. But if you guys did not know, you guys go to USPS.com, you can actually order the flat rate boxes, like small, medium, and large. I ordered the large and the medium. They're completely free. You do not pay for them at all. You only pay for them when you're sending the product out. And that's how I've been doing my giveaways lately, just buying those boxes, because it just saves me money in the long run, because some of my boxes are pretty heavy and some people live like in the boondocks of the country, and it's like 45 bucks to send a product. So it's just easier just to have it be flat rate 15 and you guys still get it. So cost efficient, and I'm able to use the USPS postal system. So anyway, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures. My amazing husband, Corey. I finally have a vlog for you guys. You guys will kind of see where I've been. I went on the behind the scenes and kind of why I haven't been posting lately. And yeah, that's it, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys mean the world to me. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll definitely see you guys in the very next video. Bye.